the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the vacancies are announced from the Central University, that is Manipur University. I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you need not to search in Google separately. So you can check that applications are invited for the faculty post, that is professor, associate and assistant professor, and the dated on 18th July 2020. So the issue date is 16th July 2020, and the important date that you have to remember is 29th August 2020. Okay, and coming to the departments: biochemistry, biotechnology, chemistry, computer science, earth science, education, English and cultural studies, geography, library information science, life science, mathematics, philosophy, psychology, sociology and the statistics. So the total number of vacancies are 23 are there, and all these vacancies are the permanent vacancies, right? So all these are permanent vacancies, and the application fee is 1,000 rupees for UR, OBC and EWS candidates, and 400 rupees for the SC, ST, PWD candidates. So you have to transfer the amount, e-transfer to the amount, the account number and IFSC code, both these two are given. The duly filled application form, complete in all respect along with the relevant documents and proof of fee submission, must reach to the registrar Manipur University, and preferably through the speed post or the register post on or before 29th August 2020. So the 20th August 2020, your application forms has to be reached to this university, and the name of the post applied for has to be mentioned on the envelope card of the application. And coming to the information sheet, which is going to mention the educational qualification. So here for the assistant professor and associate professor, the vacancies are there. Coming to the assistant professor, the master's degree with 55% of marks, and besides this one, the candidate must have the UGC net, SLET or SET must be there. So if this SLET, SET or net is not there, then the PhD qualification must be mandatory. And coming to the pay scales, to the professor level 14 and associate 13 A, and coming to the assistant professor 10 level. So assistant professor 10 level means it is nearly 57,700 to 1 lakh, some 1,82,000 like that will be there. So around approximately. So you may just check for the assistant professor 10 category, right? And these are all the different regulations are given here. Fine. So the candidates who are having the post graduation plus UG Senate or the PhD qualification with these departments, okay, as the departments mentioned here. So try to apply if you are interested. Why? Because all these are the permanent posts. Fine. So share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and please subscribe the channel. After subscribing, tap the bell icon to get the more notifications like this. Thank you.